In this video, we are unboxing the Nest Hub. I already unboxed the bigger version of this that has a camera and a larger display, and if you want to check out that video, it's linked in the description down below. But today we're opening up this one, and we're going to use it here in the office. I wanted a way to control my lights in the background and my studio setup in front of me, and I went out, setting out to buy just the regular small Nest Mini, and instead wound up with this because it was on sale at Target for the exact same price as the regular speaker without the screen on it. So I figured since they were the same price, I might as well go ahead and get the better unit with the screen and everything like that. So we're gonna unbox it and get it set up. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and open up the box. I grabbed the knife out of the kitchen, the biggest one I could find, and we're gonna go ahead and just get this right out of the box. So just like that, we can peel off the cellophane wrapper or the saran wrap or whatever this is and get it out of the packaging. I haven't really decided exactly where I'm gonna put this in the room just yet. It's either gonna go over here or on the desk, or we'll figure it out. We'll play it by ear, but let's see what comes in the box. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get it out of the box. We'll just lift up here on the top of the box and reveal the device itself. We'll set the lid out of the way, and right on top is the device itself, so we'll just go ahead and lift it up out of the packaging and set it off to the side to see what else comes in our box. So if we lift up on this, you will find inside there's just a few things that come included with it. So first and foremost is the Let's Get Started guide that just shows you how to set up and pair your device, as well as a little bit of privacy information about how the product actually works. So we'll put that back in the box, and then the only other piece of hardware that comes with it is the power supply. So we'll go ahead and open up our power supply for the device as well. So you can see it's nicely coiled up, and it's got a bit of a proprietary charging mechanism. So if we open this up, it looks like it actually comes out of the box this direction. Nice little Google branded power supply for it, and that's everything that comes with it. So we'll go ahead and get this connected. So I've decided for the time being that I think the best spot for this is actually going to be right here on my desk, sitting just to the side of my computer's monitor. So I put it there, and I think it's going to be great to be able to just reach over, turn on the lights in the space, fire on the soft boxes when I'm making videos and things like that. So for now, it's going to live right here beside my computer, unless a better spot around the office comes up and works out better. So let's go ahead and get the wrapper off of this. There's just a nice little arrow here where you pull to remove the wrapping, and just like that, we've removed it. I think that this color actually fits really nice with the space that it's going to be in. A lot of the accessories on this desk being white and silver, it blends in and looks really clean on the desk setup. I didn't have a preference on the color when I ordered it. I just said whatever was available would be fine with me, so it actually ended up looking really, really nice and intentional with the desk space here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it plugged in. There's just a little power supply option here on the back, and it should start booting up here in a second. There it comes. So I went ahead and got my iPad with the Google Home app, and we're going to go ahead and get this device set up the rest of the way. So it provides it with a setup code, so we're just going to choose new device. There we go. So we got the QR code scanned on our Nest Hub, and in just a minute we should have everything set up as needed, and we'll have our Nest Hub up and running right here on the desk. So it's connecting up to it. We're just going to agree to the terms and conditions here on our iPad, and I'm going to say no thanks to improving it. I don't want to share my data with them. We're going to put this in my office and hit next. It's already been set up. I've got this room as one of our rooms. We're going to connect it to my network, and here in a second you'll see it's doing the same thing back here. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi. It turns out my device came with 14 days of YouTube Premium, so we'll take it. That was nice the last time I got that. And then it's just asking how I want to do this, so we're going to go ahead and set up as we did last time, and we are going to go ahead and enjoy sleep sensing. Why not? Might as well. It's still doing a software update in the background, so I'm just going through the setup screen here. Alright, so it's just asking us to go ahead and finish the setup. So we're going to do that right now here on the device. I've lowered the brightness of everything else so that you can see the screen as well as possible here on the video. But we are just about finished with our setup for the device, and then we should be good to go with utilizing it. So we'll check it out here in a second. And just like that, we've got it set up so we can swipe up from the bottom just like we can with the bigger one and get access to all of the applications that comes with it. And we can swipe down from the top and have control over all of our lights. You can see here, it'll turn off the lamp in the background and things like that. We can also set up all of our smart plugs. We can pull a live feed from the doorbell. So it's really handy to have it right here. We can set up different routines if we wanted to based on the times of day. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with it, and it's going to be really nice to have that control right here beside me. So it's super, super convenient. I can control all the lights in the house, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this works out being right here on the desk. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to connect with you closer about your thoughts on any of the products and videos that you'd like to see coming up in the future. Anyway, it's been real, and I'll catch you real soon.